Let's do another example to illustrate the use of different multiples. Sprouts is an American chain of specialty grocery stores. Sprouts stores are smaller than a typical supermarket, and they focus on fresh food, produce, healthy foods, and vitamins and supplements. The Kroger and Safeway are mostly supermarket chains and are not as high-end as Sprouts. I'm showing you here two tables. One of them shows Sprouts sales and EBIT in 2015. The other table shows the enterprise value to sales and enterprise value to EBIT for both the Kroger and Safeway. The table also shows the average of these multiples. We can do two separate estimations of the enterprise value of Sprouts using these two multiples. The enterprise value to sales multiple computed from the Kroger and Safeway is 0.32. We multiply this number by the sales of Sprouts to get 1.15 billion. This is our first estimate of the enterprise value of Sprouts. Instead, if we use the enterprise value to EBIT multiple, we multiply the multiple of 13.42 times the Sprouts EBIT of 0.223 billion to obtain 2.99 billion. This is our second estimate of the enterprise value of Sprouts. Let's think which of these methods is more appropriate for this case. The issue here is that while similar, the Kroger and Safeway are not that comparable to Sprouts. Sprouts is a high-end retailer. We expect for this reason that it will have a larger margin. That is, Sprouts gets more profits for each dollar of sales than the Kroger or Safeway. Since investors care about profits, they should naturally place a higher value per dollar of sales for Sprouts. In other words, Sprouts should have a higher enterprise value to sales multiple than the two other firms. Using the enterprise value to sales of Safeway and the Kroger will then undervalue Sprout. However, the enterprise value to EBIT is the value per unit of profit. Using EBIT instead of sales for the multiple allow us to circumvent the issues that arise when firms have different margins.